Hey kids, do you remember our friend? Sit the seed. Remember the pronunciation? Sit the seed.
Sid the Seed. Written and illustrated by Daniel R. Pagan. Sid is a seed, a tiny little seed, who liked where he was and never wanted to leave.
And look where I am now. Plants, plants, plants. These are flowers. So I'll show you also herbs. Herbs, herbs, herbs. Watch. See how many? Oops, sorry. Okay, there you go. Over there, you'll see all herbs that smells very good. Yummy, yummy. Oh, let's see. Here we have lettuce. All kinds. I want to plant some lettuce too. This kind is very good. Over there, onions and fennels. Here, more lettuce. Look at the beautiful daffodils. Nice. Look at these flowers. I would like to buy them all and then plant them. And over here, I'm thinking that perhaps I could plant potatoes. Mountain potatoes. Asparagus. Lovely. We'll see. What about we buy look at this, a plant that feeds on just air. See? You know what this is called? Haha, I know, because in New Orleans there is plenty of this plant. It's called Spanish moss. Spanish moss. I'll show you more. So don't forget to buy or to get from home. Okay, see you soon. Bye.